Rain did not just fall that evening, it raged. The sky growled with thunder, loud and angry. Lightning tore through the darkness, flashing for a split second, shaking branches and...
Please buy some fruits. I need one to eat. Sir, ma'am, just one apple of a banana. Please. I'm begging you, help me. I'm so hungry. Sir, please buy some fruits. I left fish open. No!
Help! Somebody please help! This girl is hurt! Girl! Can you hear me? Oh, wake up! Please wake up! Hold on, girl! I'm getting help! Help! Yes, she's just collapsed! Please hurry! Okay. BP is dropping! We need to move now! Please save her! Please!
You have to wait here. You have to wait here.
Get me a line in now. What's her pressure?
Line's in. Starting fluids. Saturation is dropping. We need to intubate.
I'm so sorry, I was driving the car.
My fruits, they're all gone.
Your fruits? Don't worry, all I had. But you won't suffer like this again. I promise. You live here? You've been living like this? All this time?
It's okay, I'm used to it.
But this isn't right. You deserve so much more.